Hey guys, so this is my personal project. So by the way, I already created a tutorial about this one in my tutorial YouTube channel. So this one is just for showcasing my personal project. So as you can see here, we have this geometric particle design where you can customize this one, the numbers of particles, and you can also add it in your WordPress project. Any page builder like Elementor, Oxygen, and also in HTML or any framework project. So if you like this one, you can watch my tutorial in Kazukiyan. And if you have any question how to implement this one, we also have that in my Kazukiyan YouTube channel. So here in Bryan Granse Dev YouTube channel, just showcasing the project, simple project like this. So yeah, if you have any question, just let me know. This is Bryan Granse, and thank you for watching. Bye.